So I'm Brian Dale. I'm chair of the psychology department, but also director of the Bates Center for Entrepreneurship and Leadership. I both teach psychology classes and I teach entrepreneurship classes, including innovation, leadership, and this semester I teach the brewing course. Brewing seems like a silly thing, right? We're just making beer. But brewing is about all business. Brewing is about the art of making something that people will enjoy. Brewing is about, getting your hands and feet dirty and actually making something.